Now we learn about copy command. So what is the meaning of copy? We know everything. I mean, we all know about that. So what is the copy? Copy means you have a object like that and you need to copy it. That's it. So to copy it, you simply click here and it's telling us select object. So which object you want to copy? Select current object, that one, and object, select that one, and that one, suppose, and see selected object, total 4, and enter. It's telling us a specific base point. So what is the meaning of base point? I mean, with respect to which reference line you want to move. Here, this is known as, this is known as our base point. So I'll click suppose here, or if I click here as a base point, and if I move, it will start moving. Now it's moving any direction. Now if you need to move that in directly perpendicular direction or same direction, then you can use ortho mode. So here, if you click here, it will copy. But if you need to move that, with some specific distance, suppose after 24-inch distance away, you need to copy it. Just see, already it have copied. This is the way also you can do it. And also if you want to copy, and they have another way, previously select. In previous you have to select your data. Now go for copy, copy, and then enter, and press a base point. Suppose with respect to that point we want to move, just click here, click, and it will copy everywhere. So this is the way to copy a object very easily.